Hello students, now we will explain question number 7. ABCD is a rhombus so that the diagonals AC bisect angle A as well as angle C and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So we have to prove that angle DAC equal to angle BAC and angle BC equal to DCA, and here ADB equal to CDB and ABD equal to CBD. It means this angle equal to this angle and this equal to this. Similarly, I proved that angle this equal to this and angle this equal to angle this. So given ABCD is rhombus, so it is rhombus, so all sides are equal. It means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Now proof in triangle ABC and CDA. Here we will take two triangle ABC and CDA. So in triangle ABC, AB and in triangle CDA, AD, both sides are equal because sides of rhombus. AC equal to AC, this is common side, and BC equal to CD, sides of rhombus. So by 3 plus triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. If the triangles are congruent, then angles are equal. So by CPCT, angle DAC equal to BAC and angle BC equal to angle DCA by CPCT. Similarly, we can prove that angle ADB equal to CDB and angle ABD equal to angle CBD. Hence, the diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Now, question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, so that the angle ABC is square. And second part is diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So given ABCD is rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A and as well as angle C. जो AC diagonal है वो एंगल A और C को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है. To prove angle ABCD square, then we have to prove that ABCD is square. And part second, a diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So proof first, in triangle ABC and ADC, angle BAC equal to angle DAC, it is given because AC bisect angle A and angle C. So angle BC equal to angle DCA, it is also given, and AC equal to AC, this is common side. So by angle side angle, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC, therefore angle AB equal to AD and CB equal to CD by CPCT. So but in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, these are adjacent sides, तो अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं और एडजेसेंट साइड भी इक्वल हो गई, तो इट इज a row square because all sides are equal. Now part second, in triangle ABD and CDB, AD equal to CD and AB equal to CD because sides of a square and all sides are equal in a square, and BD is common side. So by triple S congruence rule, triangle ABD congruent to triangle CBD. So angle ABD equal to angle CBD and angle ADB equal to angle CDB by CPCT. Hence, the diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Question number 9. In a parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equal to BQ. So that the triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. First, second part AP equal to CQ. Third part triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. And fourth part AQ equal to CP. And fifth part APCQ is a parallelogram. So firstly we will prove first part. Given ABCD is a parallelogram and P and Q are points on diagonal BD such that कि DP की जो साइड है उतनी ही BQ की भी, ठीक है. ये टू प्रूफ तो इसमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है. नाउ प्रूफ. इन ट्रायंगल एपीडी एंड सीक्यूबी। कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेना है आपको? एपीडी लेना है, ये शॉर्ट वाला ये, और सीक्यूबी में दर वाला। ठीक है, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को आपको शो करना है कि दोनों क्या है, कांग्रुएंट है। तो AD इक्वल टू BC बिकॉज अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम एंड अपोजिट साइड पैरेललोग्राम इक्वल। सो DP क्या होता है, पैरेललोग्राम की अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती है। DP इक्वल टू BQ इज गिवन एंड angle ADP equal to angle CBQ, both are alternate angles. So triangle APD congruent to triangle CQ by SAS congruence rule. So by CPCT we can prove that AB equal to CQ. Third part, in triangle AQB and CPD, AB equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram, and DP equal to BQ, it is given, and angle ABQ equal to angle CDP, these are alternate interior angles and side angle side से दोनों कांग्रुएंस हो जाएंगे, जिससे AQ इक्वल टू CP हो जाएगा। पार्ट फिफ्थ, सिंस ACCQ opposite sides are equal, therefore it is a parallelogram।